When you download Apsona for Salesforce from the App Exchange, you can add Apsona to your Salesforce menu bar for easy access. When you click the Apsona tab, you will see that Apsona comes with its own menu bar with a list of objects at the top in no particular order. In this video, let's look at creating an Apsona profile configuration. We start by clicking the Settings tab, and when you click Settings, you'll see a list of options here, and you will only see all these options if you have the Manage Users and Modify All Data permissions available to you either in your Salesforce profile or via permission sets. This usually means that you must be a system administrator to see the menu options. So let's start by clicking on Configurations. And Apsona comes with a default configuration. And this default configuration has a few standard objects available. And let's get started by clicking the Clone button. And here we choose the profile we want to create the configuration for. And you will see all the profiles available in Salesforce. So let's click on System Administrator. You can change the name if you like. And here are user permissions. And these user permissions only apply while working in Apsona. So you can choose, if you uncheck this, users cannot delete records in Apsona. As I'm a system administrator, I require all these user permissions. So let them be checked. And now we see a list of non-visible objects and we see a list of visible objects. The visible objects are what are available in the default configuration, but I do not see any of my custom objects. So let's get started. I need the invoice custom object. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here. I also need Apsona badge, and I need the Apsona badge item. I also need the Apsona user object, and I need the Apsona item as well. So here are all my custom objects, and I've got them all here as visible objects. And now let me click the next button. And this is where you can choose which fields by object should be visible to the users with this profile. As I'm a system administrator, I require to have all fields visible to me. So I do not have to uncheck any of the fields. Now let me go to next. And this is where I can set up my menu bar. So I do not need to I do not need the product, event object, task object, but let me get campaigns here. I'll just move them around. And then let's get campaign member as well. So these are the objects I want to see in my Apsona menu bar. And now I'm just going to click on save. And now you see I have a new configuration and it has an asterisk, which means this is my profile configuration. And now to take effect, my menu bar to take effect, I click on settings and click the clear cache option. And when Apsona loads, I will have my new menu bar available for me to work with. And this is my new menu bar. But you saw that I have several other visible objects, and to access some of them, all I need to do is click the more option here and select the object I want to work with. So these are all I need to do is click the down arrow under more, and if I click the opportunity contact role, for example, and I click all records, I can start working with the opportunity contact role object. So this is how you create a configuration in Apsona. Thank you for watching.